my name is Hannah, and I'm a senior political science major with a research focus on childhood food insecurity. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to get involved with research on campus. So to start, just want to say that finding research opportunities, especially as an underclassman, can sometimes feel a little bit intimidating. But at A&M, there are so many opportunities which accept various classifications, majors, and they don't always require previous experience. The avenues available to us as students for research experience are extremely diverse, and I know it can sometimes feel a little bit overwhelming to try and choose which path is best suited for you. So to shed some light on the specifics of getting involved, I'm first going to tell you a little bit about how I got involved with research, and then I'll explain some alternative routes that you might also consider. So my research journey began when I was a sophomore. I took a sociology course about race and ethnicity, and it was truly like one of the first classes whose content I was genuinely interested in. I found myself reading articles about the subject matter outside of class, and I was extremely motivated to invest a lot of time in crafting well-written papers and like regularly attending office hours. I built a mentor-mentee relationship with my professor throughout the semester, and by the end of class, my professor told me about some of his projects and invited me to help him on his dissertation. He ended up training me in quantitative sociology methods for around 3 semesters until he moved to a different university. But I actually still keep in touch with him, like even all of this time later, and it's really great knowing that I have somebody who remains a mentor even after the research project has ended. My suggestion would be to build a rapport with a professor whose class you really enjoy, and either waiting for them to approach you or politely and kindly approaching them, whether through email or in person, about some projects that you're interested in. And I personally really loved this sort of route that got me involved with research because I had an advisor that I already had a pre-existing relationship with, and it was just like a very comfortable and easy project to be excited about. So I also pursued research through the Agi Research Program, which uses the acronym ARP, and you can Google like TAMU ARP, and the list of projects should be like the first result that comes up for you. And I would highly, highly recommend this program for students who are trying to get involved with their very first project. The ARP website has an extensive list of projects which you can apply to at the end of every semester or over holiday breaks. And I have no doubt that you'll be able to find a project that piques your interest because there's usually around like 50 to like 70 projects posted, and they're sort of like representing every single possible major that you can think of. So I know that anyone who like wants to get involved with research can definitely find something that they're interested in. In ARP projects, you typically work with a group of fellow undergraduate students, which can be an awesome way to meet like-minded students and also allows you to get some experience with collaboration. Another great thing about the program is there are several opportunities throughout the semester to present at conferences, and there's also leadership opportunities if you stick with a project over various semesters. Another resource I would highly recommend is the Launch Research Opportunities database, and to find it, just Google TAMU, Launch Research Opportunities database, and the website should pop up for you. There are tons of positions, both on and off campus, on this site, and I think it's an awesome resource if you're looking for summer programs, and if you're also like interested in exploring like other universities or getting to know the faculty at like a grad school that you're interested in. Overall, I think finding research opportunities requires a lot of initiative on the student's end, and if you want to participate in a project, I suggest that you talk to your professors and demonstrate your interest in the subject you want to research by putting special effort into those classes and by checking online postings frequently. From my own experience, I can tell you that if you desire research experience, all you have to do is put in the effort to seek out projects out of your own volition and take the initiative to build connections within our academic community here at A&M, which is really very extensive. I mean, you have your professors, there's grad students, and then there's like all of the online resources that the university provides for students. And if you have any further questions or you want more information, you can feel free to reach out to any of the undergraduate research ambassadors, and we're happy to give you some advice or direct you to certain resources at your discretion. All right, thank you.